Hey folks, just want to make a quick video about these RJ45 ports for the 5th gen 4Runner. I believe it'll fit also some of the Tacomas and the Tundras as well, as long as they have that same standard size. The early versions I was making of these were made out of a different material. The material was prone to breakage on these clips. It was extremely strong, but the material was actually very brittle, and I wanted to come up with something I could do that would remedy that situation, as well as something that would flow a little better through my printer and provide a better finish. So I decided to change my filaments, and I come up with a new one. There's some slight variations in this whole design. It is still strong. It is still extremely secure once installed. They're actually pretty hard to get out. That being said, you kind of want that when you're riding down the road, utilizing your radio. You don't want these things to pop out. Standard RJ45 port, they are UL listed. As you can see, I can push and that thing's not coming out of there. Actually, to remove these, you pretty much will destroy the mount. It actually has some flex to it now, and it doesn't break. I'm very proud of that. The finish actually looks a lot better, as you can see. It's a little shinier, but the filament actually flows very nicely out of these. I think I have, it's compared to like an early one, a little more texture. Looks nice. I do have a return policy on these. If you were to break them, I would gladly replace the housing for you. If you just send it back, I'll pop this one placement in there and get it back out to you. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully these things last for you. I like them. They work great. I've been using that small panel to the right of the steering wheel. Simply just look at the lettering, face it up, push it in there. It's tight, so you gotta push pretty hard. Clips in, very secure, doesn't budge. It'll fit pretty much any placement there. These now will come out if you try. No guarantee that that tab will not break. Push. So as you can see, they're not just gonna pop out on you. I'm pulling pretty hard there. Not coming out. So if you want to order one, they're listed on my Etsy marketplace. I'll post a link in the comments. Get you one. Thank you.